be able to microwave it.
No!
Alright.
That's too
We
much.
can always stop it early. If it starts burning.
Getting a little too fat.
Oh, I see somebody's head popping out of there. He's turning into a mushroom. Okay, I need to stop him.
No, you don't.
I'm gonna kill you. Oh, marshmallow. Oh, they're sinking back into the box.
Okay, let's keep going.
Another 20.
Another 20.
Are you sure about that?
We want to try to eat them, but I don't want them to do something.
They're getting big again. Oh my goodness, they're peeking out of the box. He's getting bigger than the box. Oh my goodness. What is going on? I think we roasted their eyes out. How are we gonna eat
So what do you think, guys? A whole box?
They
We should
smell
have
bad
saluted
again.
them.
They smell bad again.
They're still sweet.
I'd stick it to the box.
I was thinking maybe they would touch the microwave top. That would have been bad.
Oh yeah, that would have been terrible. Oh, they're sticking to each other.
Let's see if they fall out this time.
No, they don't fall out now.
But he's stuck.
You just want to throw those away?
Let's make s'mores.
Maybe try them. Are they good, Caleb? Did you just try one?
Yes, they are good.
They're good? Are they hot?
Yes.
Survive.
We need to make s'mores.
Oh, that one has one eye
That one
left.
has about one.
This is us in our experiment. Signing off. Bye.